Did you know that the area of Thar Desert is decreasing at a rate of 3% every year? It may appear to be very small, but by the end of the century, most of the desert would be converted into a savanna. Want to know more about this topic? Then stay tuned throughout this video. I am your host Neelesh discussing about the topic Dying Thar Desert. The Thar is a climatic desert, said Ninand Munagi, another researcher at Wildlife Institute of India. This means that the region is very hot and with very low precipitation. Historically, many policies have been made to green the desert and its surrounding areas via cultivation and plantation. Colonial rulers were focused on higher revenues and the farms were the easiest to be taxed. Under British rule in the 19th and 20th century, irrigation was introduced to turn arid and semi-arid deserts into cropland. Planting trees in desert is bad as cutting trees in rainforest, since it changes the basic ecology of the system. Greening of Thar has largely occurred on arid scrub grasslands that has functioned as pastures for many species of animals, and plants that are adapted to such climate are now threatened. After India gained independence in 1947, successive governments continued these irrigation, cultivation and plantation policies. In the 1980s, the Indira Gandhi Canal project, a vast irrigation scheme, led to extensive crop cover in Thar. In the areas where plantation took hold and where water seepage from irrigation were prominent, species like nilgai expanded, disrupting ecological balance. The consequence of greening of Thar Desert is that rainfall in once dry region would increase. The green land would attract the monsoon rain, creating a deficit in rainfall in the northern plains, thereby converting the arable land of the northern plains into a new barren desert. But still many believe that greening brings rain, but a direct link between greening and rainfall in arid and semi-arid regions in western India have not yet been proven.